Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Emirates ID, passport, and login privileges with an authorized employer or company account. Once those are ready, open Qiwa and navigate straight to profile, then contact details. You do this now because the system links phone verification to your identity and employer role. Make sure your current phone is reachable for OTPs. If it isn't, request admin access first. Starting here prevents rework later, when Qiwa demands matching identity documents and verification codes. You'll now change the number. Click Edit beside Mobile and type the new phone with the +971 country code if UAE. Once entered, request an OTP and wait. Qiwa enforces a 60-second resend window, so be patient. If you don't get a code, check signal or network settings. If the account is employer managed, instead prepare a change request and attach a scanned Emirates ID or passport. This ensures HR can approve the update because Qiwa links phone changes to verified identity and employer authorization. You finish by confirming the new phone and then logging out and back in to force a system sync. Make sure to check both the profile and notifications areas to confirm updates propagated. Sometimes approval from your employer or automated sync can take up to 24 hours. If the OTP fails repeatedly or the employer approval stalls, escalate. Contact your HR representative and open a Qiwa support ticket. That dual path, HR plus support, resolves most issues when automatic verification fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.